Alright, here's a truck tour. Everybody always wants to see what it's like in the truck itself. Here's a two-way radio right there. Company two-way radio. All the switches. And let's see. Radio, there's the computer. That's our garbage box. The computer, we communicate with the company. If I step back, got little cubby holes. There's some tea, rubber gloves, paper towel holder, storage, cleaning stuff. So here's the passenger seat, and then this is curtains that slide back. I have a microwave there, cabinet space, and all kinds of stuff there. This is the bed. There's lights everywhere. And there's a foot of a bed. Those are windows, TV, my refrigerator.
I'll start handing you stuff.
Alright, hang on one second. Another fridge. We put most of our stuff up here on the top bunk and have that. Oh, we had two fridges and storage space. And more stuff. That's about it. More storage right there. And under here I have the coffee pot. So that's that.